Okay, ini adalah video untuk bincang you punya assignment. Okay, question 1, this is a quadratic x squared plus 6x plus n. And then they ask you to express in this form. Okay, this is called completing the square. Okay, completing the square actually got few steps. So I want you to memorize the step. Okay, step number 1. Step number 1 is you're going to take out the a. Okay, remove the a. But here the a is 1, so no need. Okay, no need. Then step number 2. Step number 2, you are going to actually plus b per 2 square and then minus b per 2 square. Okay, how is it? The b is 6, 6x. So here, x squared plus 6x plus 6 per 2 square minus 6 per 2 square plus n. Okay, you see, I insert between x square and x and also n. In between, plus b per 2 square minus b per 2 square. B is 6. Okay, so after that, step number 3. Okay, step number 3, you're going to combine the square together. So x squared become x, 6 per 2 become 3 lah. Okay, so I will write here x plus b per 2 square. So means I'm combining x square and 6 per 2 square together. So it will become x plus 3 square. Okay, combine these two. Then tengah-tengah 6x no more already. No more. This one gone already. Then you count this one. Kira ini. So minus 6 per 2 is 3. 3 square is 9. 9 plus n. Done. Okay, this one done. So you see here, they say, express it in the form. Okay, this is the form. X minus h. H is x minus h. So x plus 3. So h actually is negative 3. K plus k. K is negative 9 plus n. Okay, negative 9 plus n. Okay, this completing the square, what is a function? You must know. The function actually is to find maximum or minimum. For example, this one is smiley, right? Smiley means we are going to find minimum point, titik minimum. So titik minimum, x plus 3, so x is negative 3. Then the y is negative 9 plus n. Okay, this is the y, negative 9 plus n. So they tell you question B, given that the minimum value, okay, apa tu minimum value? Minimum value means minimum y. Minimum y, x I don't know, but x actually I know lah. X is x plus 3, so x is negative 3. So they told you that the minimum is negative 5. So negative 5. From here, minimum is negative 9 plus n. And they say it's negative 5. So I can find my n. Negative 5 plus 9, so you will get positive 4. And then sketch the curve of fx. Okay, kita nak lukis lengkung dia. Actually, I sketch already lah. Okay, I know it's a smiley face. I know the minimum point is negative 3 and negative 5. Tapi ini tak cukup lagi nak lukis. Saya perlu 4 titik. Okay, first, titik pertama, I know my minimum point. Minimum point, x is negative 3, y is negative 5. Negative 3, recall back, I take from here. X plus 3, x negative 3. Negative y, they give you already. The whole thing here is negative 5. Okay, so I will put back the n here. Sebab saya nak cari pintasan y, pintasan x. So n 4, right? So dari sini, apakah sebab pintasan y? What is my y-intercept? Y-intercept means the one that without x, which is 4. Then after that, I need to find my pintasan y, pintasan x, x-intercept. How to find x-intercept? Okay, x-intercept is, you need to put your y, which is your fx, become 0. So this one become 0. Then you do EQN degree 2. Or you can use formula. Okay, try EQN degree 2. A is 1, B is 6, C is 4. Or I get decimal. So since I get decimal means I need to use formula. use formula yang itu negative b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. So here you will get two answers lah. Actually, you write in the formula like this, but you no need to press the formula. Okay, tak perlu tekan formula ini dalam calculator, no need. You just press EQN degree 2, your A is 1, your B is 6, your C is 4, and then you will get answer directly. Yeah? So I get negative 0.764, or X2 is negative 5.236. Okay, I got all the points already. Now I can sketch. Okay, we'll see my minimum point first. Negative 3 and negative 5. X negative 3, Y is negative 5. This is the minimum point. So I cross here. Pintasan Y 4. Sini 4. Okay, I got these 2 points that I draw first. Smiley face. Smiley face. Lukis dia imbang sikit. Imbang sikit. Like this. Like this. Okay. So ini pintasan X. Saya boleh label. 1 negatif 0.764. 1 negatif 5.236. Okay. Complete. Okay, done already the drawing. So this is the answer for question number 1. Okay, I want you to try to redo it by yourself. If you don't understand, you rewatch again this part. So I erase everything. Okay, now I'm going to discuss about question 2. Okay, question 2, they ask you to find the range such that the line does not intersect the curve. Okay, the keyword is does not intersect. Does not intersect means like this. Contoh dia begitu. Ini pintasan X, then the graph atas pintasan X. They don't touch the X, means no X intercept. No X intercept, no roots. Okay, no real roots. No real roots means what? B squared minus 4ac is less than 0. So from here, they say that such that the line does not intersect the curve of this one. Okay, you are going to equal it. The two things you equal first, y equals to rx plus 4, y equals to x squared minus 4x plus 5. So you equal the two things. Rx equals to x squared minus 4x plus 5. Okay, so I will put everything to the right hand side lah. Sebab ada x squared sebelah kanan. Minus Rx plus 5. So from here, my A is 1. My B is negative 4, negative R. My C is 5. Okay, so I will use B squared minus 4AC is less than 0. B, negative 4 minus R squared minus 4A is 1. C is 5 is less than 0. Okay, this one you need to expand it. Okay, I expand first. So negative 4, positive 16. Negative 4, negative R, positive 4R, positive 4R. Negative R, positive R squared, minus 20, less than 0. Okay, then I will do again R squared. 4R means 8R lah. 16 minus 20, negative 4, less than 0. Okay, sampai sini kan? Kamu kena buat pemfaktoran. You need to do factorization. Okay, let's see I can do or not. EQN degree 2. A is 1, 8R, so B is 8, C is negative 4. A cannot. Wait, I see first. Anything I make wrong. RX, plus 4. Ayo. Saya lupa sini, sorry. So sini kena minus 4. I'm so sorry for that. So sini kena x squared minus 4x minus rx plus 1. So my C is 1. Okay, sorry, my C should be 1. So negative 4 times 1 times 1, negative 4 lah. Negative 4. So 16 minus 4 should be 12. Okay, sorry. Tekan balik lagi. EQN, A is 1, B is 8, C is 12. Negative 2 and negative 6. Okay, so you do EQN degree 2, you get your R is negative 2, another R is negative 6. So I need to put here R plus 2, R plus 6. Okay, you get the points already, but not finished yet. Because this is the inequalities, ketaksamaan. So inequalities, you need to find range. They are not equal. They are like bigger than what or smaller than what. Okay, so I need to find bigger than what or smaller than what. I'll give you some hints. First step, lukis satu pasti X. Second step, lukis satu smiley face. Always smiley, always smiley one. Why? Because I always make sure my X square is positive. You must make sure X square positive, so you are drawing smiley. And then your R is negative 2. Hey, sorry, not looking at here, looking at this one, sorry. R square is positive, so I draw smiley lah. So 1, negative 2, 1, negative 6. So I will going to put to 3 parts. Okay, you say split to 3 parts, 3 bahagian. Basically, we have 3 parts. One is here, one is here, and one is here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, please take note. If the sign say greater than 0, I need to shade this part and this part, atas punya. If the question say less than 0, like this one, less than 0, I need to shade the bottom part. So obviously this one is less than 0 kan? Less than 0 means I need to shade the bottom part. Bahagian bawah sini. Okay, so lorek bahagian sini. This one, if you want to show also can, you can show teacher also. You can show in your assignment. Okay, so since less than 0, I shade the bottom part. So actually it's joining between negative 6 and negative 2. They are joined together. So my R is between these two numbers. So final answer, my R is smaller than negative 2, but my R is bigger than negative 6. So R is between negative 6 and negative 2. Okay? Okay, this one done already, final answer. Okay, then I erase this one. Later, if you want to rewatch, you just rewatch, okay? So now, this one is question first statement. Tapi belum siap leh. Soalan tanya, can you state the value of R such that the line is a tangent? The keyword is a tangent. Tangent of the curve. Okay, kali ini soalan actually ada 2 soalan. Got 2 questions. One is does not intersect, one is tangent. What's mean by tangent? Okay, curve, for example, this is a curve. Tangent means like this. This is a tangent. Tangent means 90 degree, right? So tangent means they touch at 1 point only. Intersect at 1 point only. So this is equal real roots. So equal real roots means what? This one saya padam sampai sini. Okay, you are doing the same working. You equal the 2y, and then you got the ABC same as just now. But now is b squared minus 4ac equal to 0 because they said tangent. Tangent means 1 intersection point, equal real roots. So negative 4 minus r squared minus 4ac equals to 0. So after you expand like just now, r squared plus 8r plus 16 minus 4 equals to 0. So r squared plus 8r plus 12 equals to 0. So you do the EQN degree 2, your r you get negative 2. and r get -6. So this one, r plus 2, r plus 6. So the answer is final is this one only. So actually you no need to show from the beginning. Tak payah tunjuk dari atas because you already state out the ABC, right? So for question number 2, this one, state the values. Question 2 punya part 2, you just need to start from here. Start from this one. No need to show from the beginning. Then you just say, oh, the R is -2 and -6. It's not range, but it's equal. Equal. Tak ada besar, tak ada kecil. Sebab dia equal already. Okay? Okay, this one I erase. Now question 3. Question 3, they say the firework explode at the highest point. Okay, let's say question 3, we assume that they start from 0, 0. Okay, you start from 0, 0. Okay, so HT. Okay, how I know 0, 0? I show you how. The formula is H is height, T is time. So when time is 0, what is the height? You put on -4 times 0 square plus 32 times 0. You get 0 also. So it means you start from 0, 0. Not every question start from 0, 0. Not every, but this is start from 0, 0. Okay, so the question asks you, the firework will explode at the highest point. So when is the firework will explode and what is the highest, what is the height when they explode? So actually it means they ask you what is the maximum point. The question is ask you what is the maximum point. Okay, now I'm going to use completing the square. Guna ini ya. To find the maximum point, I will use completing the square. Take out the A first. So I take out -4. So maksudnya semua kena bahagi -4. So this one I left T square. 32 divide -4, you will get -8T. Then don't forget step 2. -4 masih dekat luar. Step 2, I need to plus B and B over 2 square minus B over 2 square. T square minus 8T. The B now is -8. You see the new B, not the old B. So I plus -8 per 2 square minus -8 per 2 square. Include the negative, bukan nombor saja. Okay, then -4. Okay, you are going to combine the T square and -8 per 2 square. Step number 3. So T minus 8 per 2, so 4 square. T minus 4 square. Combine this one. Square put outside lah. Then tengah-tengah hilang juga. And then this one you need to press calculator. Press calculator. -8 per 2 square, -16. Okay, actually ada lagi step number 4. Tadi tak ada sebab kita tak keluarkan A. If we don't have step number 1, we don't have step number 4. But if we have step number 1, then we have step number 4. Step number 4 is what? Expand the A again. Expand in. Okay, so ini -4 darab dengan bracket. -4 darab dengan -16. Okay, -4. The bracket you don't times inside. Letak luar saja. Jangan darab dalam bracket. Then -4 times -16 positive 64. Okay, we done already. Then from here, my T is what? At highest point, my T minus 4, so T is 4. Then what is my highest height? 64. Ingat, X tengok bracket, Y tengok sini. Bracket kena terbalik sign, Y tak perlu. So the height 64, just 64. Okay? Okay, if you don't understand, you re-watch again this part. So I go to question 4. Question 4, show that M equals to N minus 1. Okay, this one I delete first. Question 3. Okay, ini pun kamu kena buat the same maximum value is m squared plus 2n. Maximum value means the y lah, the y. Okay, so saya buat completing the square. Okay, first step, I need to take out my a, tapi tak ada kan? X square is 1 so no need to take out lah. So terus step 2, b per 2. What is the b? The b is negative 4nx. Okay, so yang ada x lah. So negative 4nx plus b square over b over 2 square minus b over 2 square plus c 5n square 5n square plus 1. Okay, so inside the bracket I need to put b over 2. So negative 4n per 2. Here also negative 4n per 2. Okay, step number 3, combine the one that have squared, this one and this one. Okay, combine together. X minus 4n per 2 means 2n square. So tengah-tengah negative 4n x hilang. And then this one you just need to calculate. Okay, ini kena kira. I expand the bracket lah. Negative 4n per 2 means negative 2n. Negative 2n square means negative 2n square. Negative 2 square means 4n square. Plus 5n square plus 1. Simplified lah, belum lagi simplified. Negative 4n square plus 5n square means plus 1n square plus 1. Okay, so my maximum x is x minus 2n, so x is 2n. Maximum y is n square plus 1, which is the maximum value. Okay, maximum value is equals to n square plus 1. But the question they say maximum value is m square plus 2n. So n square plus 1 is also equals to m square plus 2n. Dua-dua maximum value. So they ask you to say that the m is n minus 1. Okay, saya pindah n ke kiri dulu. N square minus 2n plus 1 equals to m square. Okay, this one I think I can factorize. Guna EQN dulu. EQN degree 2, A is 1, B is negative 2, C is 1. So I get 1n only, 1x only. Okay, this one I put aside. I get n is 1. So means here I should get n minus 1, n minus 1, m squared. So n minus 1 actually is n minus 1 square. N minus 1 square, I combine lah. Dua bracket jadi satu bracket dan then kuasa 2. So square and square I cut. Potong. So m is n minus 1. So m is n minus 1. Proven. Ini tak payah tunjuk punya. Ini saya cuma tunjuk kamu macam mana saya dapat n tolak 1. Okay, done already for question 4. So if you don't understand, rewatch again. Okay, so thank you. Bye.